Hello everyone, Dr. Jean-Pierre, your NUCCA chiropractor, and welcome to the Yoga Expo. I'd like to invite each and every one of you to come to this lecture that's gonna blow your mind. Now think about this. We all know what normal blood pressure is. We all know what your normal eyesight is. But did you know there's a normal curvature of your spine? Yes, your spine houses the nervous system, which is the most powerful organ in the body. There is a normal. And guess what? If you're out of the norm, that's what creates the secondary conditions of headache, migraine, neck pain, back pain, etc. Now, what would happen if your car alignment shift out of position or the foundation of the house shift out of position? Now, imagine what happens when your spine goes out of position. So in this lecture, we're going to cover what normal is. We're going to cover how to get back to normal and exercise that you can do to maintain that normal structure. And also, we're going to talk about what you need to do to get your life back. But also, for the first 25 to 30 people that register, we're going to give each and every one of you a free pillow, and we'll teach you how to do that and how that can help you get your life back. So sign up and see you at the Yoga Expo. Dr. Jean-Pierre, your NUCCA chiropractor.